ankle use!
Earth rotation of 2!
What's he doing?
Chainsaw, no! He's down! Be careful, y'all! The snake's got a blade or something! Look out!
He's mine! Bison Coil Driver!
Keep your distance!
What? How did he?
Damn it! He may have figured out our timing, but he's still wide open from the front! No.
Put me down!
Roar! Bamboo shoot! He can still move at that speed? He should be completely worn out by now.
Hey, Stinger! Fight me one-on-one, you coward!
You asked for it! Leave this guy to me! No chance. We'll face him together.
I'll turn him into bone fragments!
What the?
I'll finish this! He's too worn out to dodge my rapid fire! You're in my line of fire!
Hey, what's the matter, buddy? We were so close a second ago. It's not neighborly to run away from me now. I'm gonna be all lonely.
I can't shake him!
Get away from him, Megan A. I can't get a shot!
Our formation's completely busted. Does that mean I'm just holding them back now?
Eat this! Gigantic Drill Stinger! You took out all your human shields, dumbass. Now the friendly fire problem is no longer an issue. You're dead.
Watch this, turd. This is the moment the monster wins!
The winner will be justice. Time to die. Death Shower! Impossible!
Don't bother with the act. I know. That was Death Shower, where you use up all your ammo.
He goaded me just like all the others.
It turns monsters into mincemeat and obliterates them. Guess not every monster, huh? I'm grateful. You helped me prove that I can't be defeated by guns or bullets. Not how you figured you'd go out, huh? Too bad.
Class S can screw themselves. You think the rest of the heroes are just second string? Class S heroes are incredible, but the rest of us fight through blood, sweat, and death, same as them. Look at me! I cornered the Hero Hunter, Class A hero, Death Gatling!
Boy, you've got issues.
I will be the one to put you down! I'll prove that we deserve our place!
Seems the one most obsessed with ranking
Is you!
You disgust me.